Another thing that I'm going to be stressing a lot and playing with a lot is the fact that your environment will often give you great opportunities for playing with many of these concepts. Sometimes, vaguely precarious opportunities, but opportunities nonetheless. So, this narrow little dock gives me a great opportunity to play with the idea of tracks. I've got a clear representation of one track and a clear representation of the other track. If I'm facing you, I'm crossing back and forth from track to track. It's a forwards cross, and I'm spotting the very end of the dock and kind of trying to make my X right on that. If I'm over on this side, I've got a clockwise circle. If I'm on this side, I've got a counterclockwise circle. And if I'm facing away, I'm doing a backwards crossing at the far end of the dock. So then I can start to play along the dock. And I'm on one plane, I'm on the other plane, I'm on this plane, I'm on this plane. And I switch back and forth between saying tracks and planes. You'll just have to bear with me. And not only am I playing with my tracks and my crossing, but I'm also being forced to really feel what's going on with my stepping and my environment, and whether I'm stepping forwards and backwards. Because if I do anything wrong, I'm going to fall into a very cold lake. On this side, on this track, I can paint along this side, along this wall plane. On this side, I can paint along this one, like I've got a big paintbrush, and I'm painting these circles. Right? If I'm facing you, I can come higher and lower, wide and narrow. Here, backwards, narrow and wide and high and low. Okay. And pretty quickly what happens is I really start feeling this in my body. It gives me a real visceral feedback. So it doesn't have to be a dock. It can be the lines on a tennis court, a path. It can be a bridge. It can be the sidewalk. Anything that gives you this clear geometry. And of course, all of this, again, is like training wheels. It's really great to start with these clear, geometries. And later you can start to let go of that and move in arcs and circles and, octagons, whatever you want. But in the beginning, it can really make the first concepts easier if you think along the terms of these tracks. So find something in your environment and have fun.